Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Shabash.
My name is Rachel. I read in class.
Shabash. Shabash. My
My
father's name.
my father name is Krishnan. My mother name is Usama.
Shabash. Shabash.
I was 6 years old.
Yes. Shabash. Very good.
My reading is first class.
Very good. I wanna be. जोर से जोर से.
I wanna be
Hmm?
is volleyball.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Clapping. Clapping for him.